What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Now we got part 2 of your boy Terry trying to buy this Hellcat. If you haven't watched the first part, go back and watch that and come back and watch this video, guys. So we're going to react to the salesman called him back. He found a car in this price range, so we're going to react to this video. I have not watched the whole video. It just popped up, so I said, let me react to this video and follow up from the first video. You guys seem to like that video, so I'm not going to do too much more talking, guys. Let's get into it.
All right, we're going to be cold calling Terry back because I found a car that's more in his price range. I don't know how he's going to react to it, but it's worth a shot.
Terry a wild dude, bro.
Hello?
Terry, what's going on, man? Alex with Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, brother, what's going on?
Hey, man, just giving you a call back, man, seeing if you've extended your search with the Hellcat anymore. And I just want to let you know that I actually found us a car. It's not a Hellcat, but it is a car that you could pay cash for with the down payment that you wanted to put on the Hellcat.
What?
It's a 2018 Dodge Charger SXT. It's got 84,000 miles on it, and I could sell it to you for like 20 grand.
I'm sorry, you said it's an SXT.
Yes, sir. It's a black SXT, and it's only $20,000.
Wow.
Look, brother, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. First of all, you really don't know who I am, brother. I mean, I'm not going from no Bentley to a retired cop car to a rental car. I'm not.
Hold on. So you'll buy a Black Ghost, which is pretty much the same platform. Now, only thing that's different than the Black Ghost is, of course, it got the Hellcat engine and it got the 6.2. But now it's a retired cop car. Okay.
I'm not going to be rolling around in no $15,000 car. I told you the price ain't really an issue. I can come up with that $15,000 easy. I have that cash with me. I just took out a loan to cover the down payment pretty recently, so I was ready for you to give me some.
He took out a loan to cover the down payment, so the 15 grand is a loan. Man, this Bama tripping, bro.
Info on that Hellcat, but here you are.
What do you
trying to diminish me to get an even cheaper car? That's not what I'm looking for.
What do you mean you took out a loan to cover the down payment?
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, with my local credit union.
What?
I don't understand what you mean. You're financing the $15,000 to $20,000 you have down in the car?
So wait, hold
cash
on.
that I have.
So you financing the car and you financing the down payment? This Bama Wilds, man.
That brother, doesn't matter how I got it, okay?
Oh,
I mean,
serious.
Alex, I've told you this before. I bought cars like this before all my life, and I'm not going from a Bentley to a retired cop car. You really don't know who I am, and you're lucky I ain't coming down there to get that ass.
Oh,
bro, to do what?
Boy, you really testing me. This is.
I'm not trying to, Terry. Listen, I'm trying to offer a solution here.
It's not a solution, is what it is. What you're doing is insulting me.
But you would get into.
I'm not the type of man to do. My days of driving cash cars, $10,000, $15,000 cars is over. I bought Bentleys. I bought all kinds of cars.
I mean, I understand that. I'm just saying, with your down payment that you have, Terry, on this car, you could buy this car cash and not have to worry about payments, and they look somewhat similar. I'm really not trying to give you a hard time. I'm honestly looking.
But the thing is, this is it, guys. This is the thing right here. There's nothing wrong with buying a car cash and having it as your daily. People act like you got to roll in a Lexus or you got to have a top dollar car just to get back and forth to work. I drive a Camry as my daily. I drive my 300C. For those who new to my channel, I have a limited 300C, 2023 300C that has a 6.4 liter Hemi in it. It's a very limited car. They only made 2,000 of them. I don't drive it to work. Every now and again I drive it to work, but I drive my Camry to work. I got a 2012 Camry that I drive. People acting like they can't drive normal cars. Like, who cares? Nobody's paying attention.
You lucky I ain't over there.
I don't know why you have to keep making comments like that, man. This is just me trying to do my job and do it properly and provide you with customer service. But
at the end of the day, you're just a car salesman. It doesn't matter how I make my money. You got to make yours. I completely understand, brother.
Right.
Exactly. But at the same time, I'm trying to almost help you a little bit. I know you don't really need help or want help, but I'm trying to help you get into something to kind of rebuild your credit score up a little bit. So maybe 3-4 years from
ain't nothing need rebuilding, brother.
I mean, Terry, if I remember the last time we spoke, you were a 440. Am I wrong?
440.
Yeah, and I got 40 on my wrist, too. You want me to show you the watch I'm wearing right now, brother? Money ain't a problem.
See, now he just being ignorant. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody cares about all that, bruh. My man just trying to do his job as a car salesman, trying to get you in a ride. I mean, For real, he should have just hung up. Like, why even keep going back and forth with this buying?
Okay. I mean, we've taken watches in on trade for cards. You want to trade the watch in plus cash? That'll get you closer.
Absolutely, I can do that. That's something I can do for sure. I got a Cartier watch, iced out VS diamonds.
You paid $40,000?
Now I'm starting to think
$40,000. That's what I think it's worth. I ain't gonna tell you what I paid for it.
Ain't got no car yet. Come on, bro.
Okay, so I mean, hypothetically, if we put a deal together, you would put the watch as a down payment plus the cash
Oh, no.
I'm okay with doing that as long as it gets me into that car that I want.
into the black. You wouldn't consider a non-black Ghost? Because I have narrow bodies that I could get you in, and they're under 100 grand.
Where I'm from, we don't do narrow bodies, brother. We like them wide.
I mean, I can respect that, but that's just
yeah.
okay.
Alex,
Everybody was saying, where I'm from, we don't do everybody. We like, why? Hold on, Slim. Pause, bro. What you talking about, Slim?
I feel like you're still wasting my time, brother. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I can find a car like this somewhere else, and I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Feels like you've been putting me down since the moment I picked up the phone, and I really don't respect that. I don't really mess with that. So
yeah.
Okay. Well,
I mean, people get down on their luck, man. Things happen, and people sometimes your credit score can suffer. I mean, if you spend too much on your credit card and the hit for that statement hit, it could lower your credit score tremendously. Not the 400. When you got a 400 credit score, that means you basically just ain't been paying your bills. But for this, I mean, he obviously this can't be real. I think this is actually a skit. But if it's not a skit, obviously this guy's just doing this for social media. I mean, he laughing at the guy and all that. And I've made a video before in the past about salesmen clowning the customers. So go back and watch that video. But anything can happen, man. People get down on their luck and their credit suffer.
well, let me at least text you the link to the one I have, man. I'm really not trying to waste your time. I could text you the link to the one I have just for you to look at, and I can give you a call back next week.
yeah, brother, I probably ain't gonna answer next time. Just letting you know.
All right, man. Well, just know that we're here for you, and I'm trying to land you in something that makes sense, you know. So,
You talking about SX people? It's the most tripping.
all right, Terry.
All right, I'm gonna let you go.
All right, buddy. Bye.
So yeah, man, you know, it. Like I said, guys, I don't know if this is a skit or if this is actually a live call. There's really no way to tell, but I mean, there are people who actually think like that, who behave that way. They think that, you know, their credit don't matter. Credit is everything nowadays. But at the same time, these salesmen got to stop clowning customers, man, because it's going to come back to bite them at the end of the day, because without the customers, you have no sales. And everybody is in different situations. But if you know your credit is suffering, you know you have low credit score, fix your credit before you buy a car, guys. Don't go to the dealership embarrassing yourself. That's how you end up in a dealership sitting there for hours and hours. You're not going to get improved, especially now. They tighten up on the credit requirements. If you ain't at least at like a 680, I mean, they say 620, but bro, if you're not at like a 650, 680, I wouldn't even go into a dealership. Because all you're going to do is make a fool of yourself. They're going to be in the back clowning you. It's not even worth it. Just work on your credit, especially this guy Terry talking about he got 15,000 down. Bro, you could take that cash, fix your credit, and go get you something, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, guys. That was part 2. I guess that's it for Terry, man. I guess he's not going to get that black ghost. So, if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.